From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing a mix of some clear skies and clouds out there, but otherwise it is mostly cloudy in my area out there today with some patchy fog as well. So let's take a look at our CAVV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. Again, we are looking at mostly cloudy skies with some patchy fog, still some smog over there in Utica. So it is going to be a cloudy day today. That smog that we saw yesterday will continue to decrease throughout the day as a cold front does move through and bring in some mixing that will kind of to bring an end to that smog. But we'll also bring some rain overnight, and this is looking just to stay overnight. It is turning cooler and unsettled in the coming days ahead. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we do have a cold front coming in from the west. This will bring rain in the overnight hours tonight, but it is looking to start around 9 or 10 p.m. and end at around 6 or 7 a.m. tomorrow. So again, it just is going to be an overnight thing. It will not affect the day tomorrow or the day today, just bringing in a little extra cloud cover today. This morning, most of our areas did wake up without any frost. Temperatures were above freezing in most areas, in the 30s up here, in the 46 over there, and down south we have 38 in Skenevis, 32 in Sherburne. So again, we are above freezing here this morning. We will see a little extra cloud cover today as that cold front does start to move through, and the winds do start to pick up to kind of clear out that smog that we did see yesterday. We have a high today in the mid-50s, mostly cloudy skies, and here comes that rain in the overnight hours, clearing out by 6 a.m. tomorrow for a nice clear sunny day tomorrow with a high in the mid-50s. But for today, we have a high in the mid-50s, a mostly cloudy day ahead, and that rain does move in for the overnight hours with a low just in the 40s. So there's no chance of frost tomorrow. No chance of snow with that rain as well. We will see mostly sunny skies for Wednesday and for Veterans Day. That rain does return for Friday and Saturday due to another cold front that is stronger coming through. That will drop the temperature for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, bringing in the possibility of some snow mixed in the precipitation on Sunday and Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. As President Biden looks to
We're saying good morning to Kirkland and all of the greater Utica region. Welcome back, everybody. I just wanted to do a quick explainer on that smog that we did see yesterday. I am expecting it to kind of end either today or tonight once a cold front does kind of move through and bringing some extra mixing. But in normal conditions, we have the warmest air at the surface, and it gets colder as you go further up into the atmosphere. So this warm air does rise, bringing in the pollution up with it as well. Yesterday, there was an inversion where the warm air started to rise, and there was even warmer air up above in the atmosphere. So once it did reach that, it kind of collided and sunk back down. That is what kind of caused the haze in our area yesterday. The smoke mixed with that fog and kind of created a haze in our surface layer for yesterday. But that will change come today, maybe even tonight. We are expecting a weakening cold front to kind of move through, bringing in some extra mixing and picking up that wind quite a bit later on today. We are expecting rain just to move in the overnight hours. It is expected to start around 10 p.m. tonight and kind of last until 7 a.m. on Wednesday. It will dry out once again for a beautiful sunny day tomorrow. I'll have another look at your commutes coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Happening today for Pets.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are going to be seeing a cloudy day ahead today with some patchy fog here this morning, as well as still some smog in the area. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. Again, it is mostly cloudy this morning, but some areas are seeing mostly clear skies, so it is a mix of the two, as well as some patchy fog out there. But like I said, it will be a mostly cloudy day ahead today with that smog coming to an end later on today because we are going to be seeing some rain overnight. So there is a weakening cold front moving through that will cause a little bit more mixing to kind of end that smog, and we will see some rain overnight from that. We are turning cooler and unsettled ahead this coming weekend. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, This is what it looks like right now with this cold front coming in from the west. It is expected to bring rain in the overnight hours tonight, but it is expected just to be in the overnight hours, starting at around 10 p.m. and lasting until around 6 or 7 a.m. on Wednesday, so will not affect any of the days ahead. This morning, most of us did wake up above freezing, and it did stay above freezing for the overnight hours last night. So there is very low possibility of frost, but if you do live in an area where it was kind of on that borderline of 31, 32 degrees, like in Little Falls, you could be seeing some frost out there this morning. But once again, it didn't drop that low in temperature last night. We are seeing a mix of clear skies and cloudy skies here this morning with still some patchy fog in our area. It will remain mostly cloudy today with a high in the mid-50s. As we get into the overnight hours, here is that rain coming in the overnight hours. That should clear out by around 6 to 7 a.m. on Wednesday for a nice sunny day tomorrow and a high in the mid-50s once again. For today, mostly cloudy skies, a high in the mid-50s, and in the overnight hours, that rain does come in overnight with a low just in the 40s, so there is no chance of snow or freezing with this rain. We will see another beautiful day tomorrow, and the same thing for Veterans Day. Another cold front does move through on Friday, bringing in some scattered showers on Friday and Saturday. It will drop that temperature as well from the 50s to the 40s for the high, so there may be a chance of snow, excuse me, snow mixed in there for Sunday and Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. After nearly 2 years of
Welcome back. These past couple of nights, we have been seeing clear skies. So a great nights to check out the crescent moon that has been occurring. This picture was sent in by Bob Joy from Clinton, a picture of the crescent moon. The past couple of nights, you could also see the planet Venus next to the moon as well. But for this morning, we are seeing some patchy fog in the area. So if you do live in an area where there is fog, make sure you do drive carefully through this and have your headlights on low beam. This should start to clear out by around 10 a.m. this morning. That smog is looking to clear out either today or tonight as well. We are experiencing this fog because our temperature and dew point are super close in value right now. That temperature is at 34 degrees, that dew point is at 33. When they are within 5 degrees from each other, that is when we most experience fog in our area. I'll have another look at your commute coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. 4 astronauts are
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are mixed with temperatures and conditions this morning. Some of our areas are seeing temperatures in the freezing levels, as well as some seeing temperatures above freezing. Same thing goes for the cloud cover. Some are seeing mostly cloudy skies, and some are seeing clear skies. This is because of that inversion happening out there. That produced that smog yesterday. So let's take a look at our CAVV tower cam. We can see the early sunrise, beautiful colors here this morning. Going to see a beautiful sunrise later on today, but it will be a mostly cloudy day as those clouds continue to increase as a cold front does move through our area. We will see rain overnight from this cold front, but this is expected just to last in the overnight hours, not affecting the days. We are going to turn cooler and unsettled in this coming weekend ahead. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we see this is the cold front coming through from the west. This will bring rain in the overnight hours tonight, but again, it will kind of only last overnight, starting around 10 p.m. tonight and ending at 6 to 7 a.m. tomorrow, so will not affect today or tomorrow during the day. Again, temperatures this morning are very mixed. We are waking up in the 30s and 40s. Some areas even reporting in the lower 50s. This is because of that inversion that was happening out there, bringing in that smog yesterday. We are still seeing a little bit of smog today, but that is expected to end by this afternoon. On our Skycast, we see a mix of cloud cover here this morning. We will turn mostly cloudy throughout the day with a high in the mid-50s. Here comes that rain in the overnight hours. This is expected to last until about 6 a.m. tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies tomorrow with a high in the mid-50s. But for today, we are going to see mostly cloudy skies with a high in the mid-50s. And in the overnight hours, here comes that rain just in the overnight hours with a low in the 40s, so way above freezing. No chance of snow or freezing tonight. Tomorrow is going to be a beautiful sunny day with a high in the mid-50s. Same thing goes for Veterans Day. Another cold front does move through on Friday, bringing rain into the area for Friday and Saturday. It will also drop that high temperature from the 50s to the 40s with that chance of snow on Sunday and Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. As President Biden looks to cement.
We're saying good morning to Kirkland and all of the greater Utica region. Just a little explainer on the smog that did happen yesterday, still kind of lingering in our area here this morning. Typical conditions is when the warmest air is at the surface and the colder air is above in the atmosphere. So this warm air from the surface along with that pollution does rise into the cold air and kind of dissipate. But yesterday there was an inversion where as instead of it getting cooler on the way up, there was actually some warmer air up there. So when our warm air rose with our pollution, kind of collided with the warmer air above and created a layer of haze that we did see in our area yesterday that mixed with that fog. Fortunately, this will kind of be coming to an end today as a weakening cold front does move through our area, bringing in some mixing as well as some light winds. So the next chance of rain looks to be overnight tonight, but again, this is confined to just the overnight hours. Looking to start at around 10 or 11 p.m. tonight and kind of lasting until around 6 or 7 a.m. tomorrow. So it is just going to be in the overnight hours, but it gives it a chance to let that, the fog and the smog kind of go away for a nice, beautiful, sunny day tomorrow. I'll have another look at your commute coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Happening today, the 4-pet
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are really seeing a mix of temperatures here this morning. Some temperatures are in the freezing levels, while others are way above it. Same thing goes for sky conditions. Some areas are mostly cloudy and some are mostly clear. Here's a live look at our CAV tower cam. This is all kind of due to that inversion still in our atmosphere. We're still kind of seeing a little bit of haze over the sunrise on our CAV tower cam here this morning. We will see a mostly cloudy day today in preparation for a weakening cold front moving through our area. This will bring rain in the overnight hours, but this is confined to just the overnight hours. It will not affect the day today or the day tomorrow. We are going to be turning cooler and unsettled ahead, especially for the weekend. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we do see this cold front moving from the west into our area. Again, it will bring some rain overnight, but that's confined to just the overnight hours. As this cold front moves through as well, we will be seeing more mixing in our atmosphere, kind of bringing an end to that smog that we did see yesterday, and we are seeing a little bit still here this morning. Like I said, temperatures are ranging this morning in the 30s. Some areas are seeing the 40s as well. Other areas are in the 50s this morning. This is all due to that temperature inversion in our atmosphere. So it is hard to tell if you did wake up with a frost this morning or not. Some areas did see temperatures below freezing last night that saw a little bit of frost this morning. Other areas did not get below freezing at all. With the sky conditions as well, some areas are mostly cloudy, other areas are mostly clear. Temperatures ranging in the 30s to 40s. We will reach a high in the mid-50s today by this afternoon, but it will be mostly cloudy for the day. Here is that overnight rain coming through. That should make an end to about 6 to 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. We have a nice, beautiful, sunny day tomorrow with a high in the mid-50s once again. Before today, mostly cloudy conditions, a high in the mid-50s. Overnight tonight, here is that rain, a low in the 40s, so this is not expected to be any snow or any frost out there tomorrow. For your 7-day forecast, beautiful day in store for tomorrow. Same thing for Veterans Day. Another cold front comes through on Friday, bringing rain for Friday and Saturday, dropping that temperature for the Sunday and Monday. Also, a chance of some snow mixed in there as well. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. After nearly 2 years.
Welcome back. It was a great past couple of nights with those clear skies to kind of take a look at the crescent moon, also with the planet Venus shining bright right next to it. Here's a picture sent in by Bob Joy from Clinton. He's one of our sky watchers, so he took a picture of this moon. This was taken last night, so maybe a great night tonight. If it is not too cloudy, it might be a little too cloudy tonight to take a look at that moon. Tomorrow would be better. There is some fog out there. It is patchy. It is kind of in a haze right now. By 10 a.m., this fog looks to totally clear up. This is because our temperature and our dew point point are about the same temperature right now. When they are the same temperature or are within 5 degrees of each other, that is when we really get that dense fog out there. So this morning it is a little bit of haze, but that should start to clear up by around 10 a.m. this morning. I'll take another look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. 4 astronauts are back on Earth.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are seeing a range in temperatures out there this morning. Some temperatures are in the freezing levels and others are way above freezing. Same thing goes for those sky conditions. Some areas are mostly cloudy while others are mostly sunny. So here's a live look at our CAV tower cam. This is due to the inversion that created that smog yesterday. We are still seeing a tiny bit of haze out there this morning, but that should continue to dissipate by the afternoon today. But we will see a mostly cloudy day for all of our areas by the afternoon hours in preparation for some rain coming in the overnight hours. Again, this is just confined to the overnight hours. It will not affect the day tomorrow, but it will be turning cooler and unsettled, especially this coming weekend. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we see the rain overnight is coming in due to this cold front coming in from the west. So this will move into our area and move through in the overnight hours, bringing in those showers overnight. Again, this will just be in the overnight hours from around 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. tomorrow, so not really affect the days, just bringing in a little extra cloud cover today. Like I said about the temperatures, we are ranging in the freezing levels to above freezing levels this morning. Some areas are even in the 40s as of right now. So again, this is because of that inversion that created that smog yesterday. That will continue to decrease the smog today as that cold front does move through, bringing in some extra mixing. Right now, a mix of cloud cover this morning as well, but most of our areas will be seeing mostly cloudy conditions by the afternoon with a high in the mid-50s. Overnight tonight, we are going to get some rain, but that should clear out at around 6 a.m. tomorrow for a nice, beautiful, sunny day tomorrow. But for today, a high in the mid-50s, mostly cloudy skies out there. And for tonight, that rain does come in overnight with the low down into the 40s, so it is going to be kind of warm tonight. But we will see a beautiful, sunny day tomorrow, and the same thing goes for Veterans Day. Another cold front does move through for the weekend, bringing rain Friday and Saturday, dropping that temperature into the 40s, so some snow may be mixed in there for Sunday and Monday. Gary?
Anna, thanks. As President Biden
We're seeing a mix of sun and clouds here this morning. Some extra cloud cover in areas like Coldbrook as well as Camden, but we are seeing some sunshine like in Brookfield and Lawrence, Oppenheim. So there's a mix of sun and clouds out there this morning. If you're grabbing your coffee, it is a little bit warm out there. Temperatures are in the upper 30s to lower 40s right now. I would be opting for the medium, and again, there is a mix of sun and clouds. For today, it will turn mostly cloudy by the afternoon hours with a high in the mid-50s. And overnight tonight, we are going to see a round of precipitation, but this is just confined into the overnight hours with a low in the 40s, so there is no chance of snow mixed in or any frost for tomorrow morning. Gary?
Hannah, thanks. Turning our focus now to the beautiful fall weather, and it is continuing today. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now. And Hannah, you actually mentioned there might be some rain heading our way as well.
Yes, we are mostly dry today, but we are seeing mostly cloudy conditions. Some rain will come in the overnight hours. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, no activity on our radar yet, but we will see some rain come in just in the overnight hours tonight. That is why it is mostly cloudy across our region today. And we are still seeing a little bit of smog out there. So here's a little explainer on what happened yesterday, and it is still a little bit out there right now. Usually there is warmer air at the surface and it rises up to colder air that allows that pollution to kind of go up into the atmosphere. But yesterday and still a little bit today, there is actually warmer air above in our atmosphere. So that collides and creates kind of a haze over our skyline, which you may see today as well. We are experiencing mostly cloudy conditions, temperatures in the upper 50s. For the high today, we will see some rain in the overnight hours tonight, and I will be tracking that rain coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2022 is still
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies out there right now with a little bit of haze in preparation for some rain in the overnight hours tonight. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower cam. Again, we are still seeing a little bit of haze on that skyline right there from that smog that we did see yesterday. This will continue to decrease throughout the day as a weakening cold front approaches, allowing it to mix some more into the atmosphere. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing no activity yet precipitation-wise, but I am going to zoom out to show you this incoming cold front coming into our area. It is a weakening cold front, so we are going to get some scattered showers in the overnight hours tonight, but it looks to stay confined to just the overnight hours, starting at around 9 or 10 p.m. this evening and lasting until about 6 or 7 a.m. tomorrow. So it will not affect the day tomorrow. Temperatures right now are ranging in the 50s in most of our areas. We are reaching a high near 60 today, so it is quite warm, about 10 degrees above that average high in the 40s for this time of year. So looking like the next good time to get out, rake those leaves, or do any yard work is either today or Thursday. I would say tomorrow is a maybe just because it may still be wet from that rain that we will receive in the overnight hours. So right now we are seeing mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 50s. It will remain mostly cloudy through this evening, and once we get into the overnight hours, we are going to see some scattered showers move through as that cold front pushes through. By 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, it looks to all clear out, and we are going to be seeing abundance of sunshine for the day tomorrow with a high in the mid-50s once again. Into Thursday, we will see a little bit more cloud cover than tomorrow, but once again, it will remain dry for the day on Thursday with a high in the mid-50s once again. Before today, we have a high in the mid to upper 50s. It is mostly cloudy out there, and tomorrow we will see more sunshine. It's going to be a great day tomorrow with a high in the mid-50s. For Veterans Day, it will be another great day, partly cloudy skies. So if you do have any outdoor activities or plan to attend anything outdoor for Veterans Day, it should be okay for that. We are expecting more rain to move in on Friday due to a stronger cold front moving through. This will drop the temperature for the weekend and for the start of next week and kind of bring a chance of some mixed precipitation or maybe even some snow in the forecast for Sunday and Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Now to a shocking story in this half hour. Once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies out there with still a little bit of haze in the air. There is some rain expected to move in the overnight hours. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, no activity in our area yet, just a few lake effect showers here this afternoon. Looking at our Mesonet cameras, we see mostly cloudy skies. It is clear in some of our areas like Oppenheim and in Springfield. We are still seeing a little bit of haze out there, so I did want to explain this. It is called smog. In normal conditions, we have our warmer air at the surface and the colder air aloft, and that pollution and that fog rises into the colder air. But yesterday and still a little bit of today, there is an inversion layer where there's actually warmer air up above, and that kind of traps the pollution and the fog kind of down on our horizon, so that is why we see that hazy skies like we saw yesterday, and still some reports of seeing a little bit of it today. But we are seeing mostly cloudy conditions in most of our areas, a high near 60 here this afternoon, and I will be tracking that overnight rain coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Gunmaker Remington.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are mostly seeing mostly cloudy skies out there this afternoon with still a little bit of haze in the atmosphere. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. Again, mostly cloudy skies, a few peaks of sun out there, and we still are seeing a little bit of haze over that skyline here this afternoon. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing no activity precipitation-wise yet, but I am tracking a few scattered showers to move in the overnight hours tonight. This is because a weakening cold front is going to push through our area, kind of bringing in extra cloud cover today and a few scattered showers overnight, but that will end at around 6 or 7 a.m. tomorrow, so it is not going to impact the day tomorrow. Right now, we are reaching a high near 60 this afternoon. Temperatures ranging all in the 50s here this afternoon. So we are about 10 degrees above the average high of 48 for this time of year. So I'm looking at the next day to do any yard work or rake those leaves. Today would be a good day, and maybe back on Thursday. Tomorrow, the ground may still be wet out there from some incoming precipitation, again, in the overnight hours tonight. So let's look at all that on the Skycast. We are seeing mostly cloudy conditions right now. Temperatures are ranging in the 50s here this afternoon. Some areas reaching 60 here this afternoon as well. Mostly cloudy through this evening. By 6 p.m., temperatures will drop back down into the 40s. And in the overnight hours, not dropping too much because of that cloud cover. Temperatures will remain in the 40s, but you just saw that rain go through, and this is 7 a.m. tomorrow. We are already starting to clear up. Tomorrow, beautiful sunshine, mostly clear day out there with a high in the mid-50s once again. As we get into tomorrow night into Thursday, temperatures will drop back down to 30, so there is a possibility of some frost Thursday morning out there. But for the day on Thursday, we'll see a little bit more extra cloud cover than tomorrow, but it is still going to be dry and a high in the mid-50s for your Veterans Day. Before today, we have a high reaching 60. It is mostly cloudy out there right now with still a little bit of that haze, that smog in the air this afternoon. And tomorrow we have a high in the mid-50s. Beautiful sunshine for the day tomorrow. Is going to be a great day to spend some time outside. For your Veterans Day, it will be a little bit more cloudy than tomorrow, but still going to remain dry. So if you are going to any activities or any memorial services for Veterans Day, it is going to be a good day for that. Friday, there is another stronger cold front moving through that will bring in some showers throughout the day on Friday and some scattered showers lingering into Saturday. That cold front will also drop that high temperature back into the 40s, bringing in that chance for some scattered mixed precipitation or possible snow showers on Sunday and on Monday. Gary?
Hannah, thanks. Researchers are revealing one way to reduce...
Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Good evening, Bill. Quiet right now, right?
Yeah, quiet for now. Tracking some rain as we head into tonight. We're watching a very weak cold front that will be approaching the area from the west. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and you can see to the north and west we do have a line of showers. These will be dropping in. A lot of this activity arrives after, say, 9 o'clock this evening, and it will be over before tomorrow morning. So it's generally an overnight rainfall. Current temperature is 53 degrees. We made it to 57 today, a mild day. We're typically in the upper 40s this time of the year, so above average weather. Rain returns tonight. We're looking at more sunshine and generally mild temperatures over the next couple of days, with a big change in the weather as we approach the weekend. This evening, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the upper 40s. We're tracking rainfall tonight, along with some nicer weather as we head into the end of the week. A look at that forecast is coming up. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. The State Gaming Commission approved 2 bidders.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're tracking mild temperatures over the next couple of days. Our next chance of rain taking place tonight across the area. Let's take a live look at our Cavi Tower Cam. We're taking a look at the city of Utica. Again, a very pleasant day today. Very mild. Temperatures made it into the upper 50s this afternoon. That's 10 degrees warmer than it typically is this time of the year. And again, this warmer weather will stick around. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. I'm keeping an eye to the north and west. We have some light rain showers that'll be approaching the area as we head into tonight. Picture from earlier this morning, beautiful sunrise from Faye Jones. Wanted to make mention that we still had a little bit of late smog in the area. We talked about this yesterday. Still in the area today, but with the winds picking up, that's going to clear out as we head into tonight as well as tomorrow, so you won't see the haze in the air. Temperatures this evening, Dolgeville 52 degrees, Little Falls 51, Whitesboro 53, Loudville 55, Skenemus 55 degrees, Sherburne with 56. Again, the weather looks to stay pretty mild here as we head into this evening. If you're taking the dog out for a walk, grab the umbrella. Again, we do have the risk of a few rain showers, especially after 7 p.m. Tonight's featured dogs, Gunther and Otto. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by Staffworks. Have a look at the temperature trends here. We'll be in the 50s over the next few days, as warm as 59 on Friday before we bottom out, looking at temperatures in the 40s as we head into Saturday and Sunday. Some much chillier weather is ahead. Tracking a cold front dropping in from the northwest. You can see this rain approaching our area. This will be our weather as we head into tonight. And again, that rain will drop in as we head into later tonight. After about 9, 10 o'clock, we're looking at rainfall. The rain is done long before the morning time. By 8 a.m., we're looking at a return to some sunshine. And it's going to be a mild start to the day. Temperatures in the low 50s. A breeze picks up in the afternoon, and we will cool off into the 40s. Overall, a really nice day, though. We're looking at mostly clear skies tomorrow night. Overnight lows drop down into the low 30s, so frost heading into Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon, a mix of sunshine and clouds and pleasant with temperatures once again near 50 degrees. Tonight, rain, low of 42. Tomorrow, we're looking at plenty of sunshine, a breeze. Temperatures climb into the mid-50s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Nice weather here for Thursday. Friday, a cold front arrives, bringing a round of rain to the morning and early afternoon. Cooler weather to follow, some scattered showers both Saturday and Sunday. Neither day at this point looks to be a washout, and it looks a lot colder with rain and snow showers on Monday and Tuesday. Coming up in a few minutes, we're tracking how quickly the sunrise and sunset times change over the next couple of weeks.
Bill, thank you.
Now to a shocking.
You're back to the Weather Center and Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. So it's been a couple days. We changed the clocks. Here we go.
What's interesting is we only lose 17 more minutes of daylight at the end of the day. So we're kind of through the worst of this.
Well, it's the perfect time when I'm leaving here.
Yeah, it's tough.
And your high beams go on. And you're
Yeah.
like,
Not right.
what?
This
This
is not
right.
I know. We got a couple more weeks to go of really, really dark conditions before 5 o'clock. It's January 20th that our sunset will become after 5 again. This is how the daylight will be changing over the next 2 months. We do continue to lose daylight, but again, the rate is slowed a lot in the evening time. The earliest sunset of the entire year happens a month from now. That is 4:25 p.m. And then we start to turn the corner as we head into the middle of December. By the way, we've been getting a lot of questions about this. Our Storm Tracker 2 Winter Outlook debuts here on Thursday, November 18th, Live at 5 News Hour. This is our yearly estimate of how much snow we will be getting for the upcoming winter and some of the insights as to how the season will be trending. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're tracking some rain to the west. That line will be dropping in as we head into tonight. We're mostly cloudy this evening with temperatures in the 40s. We're tracking rainfall amounts as we head into tonight. A look at that forecast is coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Well, thank you. The Tomb of the...
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We continue to track very mild weather here in central New York. Temperatures will remain in the 50s over the next few days before changes take place as we head into the weekend. This is a live look at our CAB Tower Cam. We're overlooking the city of Utica. We've seen a decent day today, a mix of sunshine and clouds. The clouds are back, and we are going to hold on to cloudy skies heading into tonight. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some rain will be developing from the west as we head into later this evening and tonight. I think it is going to stay dry for the next couple of hours, but after, say, 8, 9 o'clock this evening, there will be some light rain in our area, and that rain will continue tonight, and it comes to an end tomorrow. So if you are looking to rake the leaves will be wet early tomorrow morning, but if you wait until the afternoon, should be a pretty decent day to do that. Thursday looks like a great day to rake the yard. Friday, not so much with a return to rain. And I do encourage you, if you have to take care of it, better to do it sooner than later, because looking ahead, we have some big changes in the weather. It is going to get a lot colder here and a lot more unsettled, especially as we head into early next week. Norway, 49 degrees. Barneveld, 49. New Hartford, 51. Yorkville, 53. Across the southern valleys, Cooperstown, 53. Hamilton and Cassville, 50. Lyman and Eaton with 50 degrees. Kirsten and Whitesboro, 53. Again, a couple of mild days ahead. Temperatures will be above average. We're typically in the upper 40s this time of the year, but we will be warmer than that. And then we're back to normal for Saturday and Sunday into the upper 40s with, again, chances for rain and even some snow showers as we look ahead. A cold front drops in from the north. This is a weak front. It's not going to bring a big change in the temperature, but it will bring some rain as we head into the area as we head into tonight. In fact, that rain is going to be around as we head into Wednesday morning. The rain will depart heading into the afternoon time. Plenty of sunshine here for Wednesday. It should be a really nice day. Temperatures will climb into the 50s. Wednesday night, skies remain mostly clear. Overnight lows drop down into the upper 20s, so it will be a chilly and frosty start to Thursday. Thursday, though, featuring dry weather, a mix of sunshine and clouds, and pleasant with temperatures in the low to mid 50s. Rainfall amounts, again, most of this, almost all of this happens overnight. We're expecting about a tenth to a quarter of an inch of rainfall, so it's generally light, but it is widespread. Rain tonight, low of 42. We dry out tomorrow. Temperatures climb into the mid 50s. It will be a breezy afternoon with the west-northwest wind at around 11 miles an hour. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sunshine Thursday, 54. On Friday, a cold front arrives. It brings a round of steady rain, 59. Much cooler weather to follow with a few rain showers. Not too bad over the weekend, but noticeably cooler. Temperatures in the 40s. We're tracking some rain and snow showers as we look ahead to Monday and Tuesday. We're tracking the wind speed over the next few days at 6 o'clock. Stay with us.
Tonight at 6, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Mild weather will continue at least for the next couple of days. Temperatures this afternoon in the upper 50s, well above average. We're typically in the upper 40s this time of the year. We're tracking some rain as we head into tonight. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The rain becomes a lot more widespread later this evening, so we are expecting this rain to arrive overnight and depart tomorrow morning. Current temperature is 50 degrees, so we are cooling off. We have calm winds and mostly cloudy skies. Our weather headlines, again, this rain will be around tonight, and it gives way to plenty of sunshine as we head into tomorrow. Really nice day. Some cooler weather is expected as we look ahead, especially beginning this weekend and really kind of ramping up into early next week. This evening, we're mostly cloudy. Temperatures will be in the 40s. We stay dry up until about 9 to 10 o'clock, and then some rain will be arriving. We are tracking rainfall amounts and also those changes in temperature as we head throughout the week. Look at that forecast is coming up. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. How about some good news?
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Mild weather looks to stick around for the next couple of days, but we do see some changes ahead. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cabby Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. It is quiet. It was a pretty decent day today. Again, a very mild afternoon. Temperatures way above average in the upper 50s. We're typically in the upper 40s this time of the year. We're tracking some rain that will be approaching the area tonight. You can see the leading edge of the rain across Lake Ontario. This is going to be arriving as we head into tonight, and that rain is expected to be widespread. In the wake of the rain, the winds pick up. We're looking at breezy conditions over the next few days, and this will also help clear out what's been going on, the haze in the sky, some light smog taking place again today. But again, with the weather patterns changing and the breeze picking up, that is not going to be lingering around any longer here in central New York. Decent conditions to rake at the yard. Again, the wind will be picking up, but it should be a decent day tomorrow as well as Thursday with some sunshine and mild temperatures. And I do encourage you to get out and take care of it, because looking ahead, the weather patterns do not look favorable. We're looking at unsettled weather, more in the way of some rain and cooler temperatures. Temperatures this evening: Donna, Norway, 49. Barneveld, Lou with 49 degrees. Boonville checking in with 50 degrees. Old Forge, Bill with 49. Across Southern Valleys, Hartwick, 51. Cooperstown, 53. And Markham Milford checking in with 50 degrees. A couple of mild days ahead. This will continue tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, but then we drop into the 40s as we head into Saturday and Sunday. We're keeping an eye on a cold front that will be approaching the region from the northwest tonight. You can see some rain moving in. This rain will hang around as we head into tonight. Really picks up near and after midnight, and then it's out of here. By tomorrow morning, not only is the rain done, but I think the clouds will be over with by 8 o'clock in the morning. We should see a punch of sunshine across the area. The breeze kicks up. It should be a nice afternoon. Temperatures will be in the low 50s. Tomorrow night, skies remain mostly clear, and that will allow for temperatures to tumble. will drop below freezing with frost as we get into Thursday morning. Thursday, a pleasant day is expected, a mix of sunshine and clouds. High temperatures climb into the low 50s. Rainfall amounts tonight, we're thinking a relatively light rainfall, but a widespread rainfall, less than a quarter of an inch region-wide. Tonight, rain, low 42. Tomorrow, return to sunshine and a breeze, temperatures in the mid-50s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Thursday looks dry, temperatures in the mid-50s. Rain arrives Friday with a stronger cold front, and that is going to bring temperatures into the 40s Saturday and Sunday. Cold enough for some snow showers again as we head into Monday and Tuesday.
Do you like how he slips that in right at the end? You wait.
Just a little.
Yeah.
Tis the season. I like that. All right. Thanks, Bill. Still to come on News Channel 2 at 6, the Syracuse men's basketball. Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. Tracking some rain coming our way.
Yeah, rain's coming in tonight, Jason, and we're going to be seeing this overnight. The rain is out of here as we head into tomorrow morning. Temperature-wise, we will be a little bit cooler than the past couple of days. We'll be in the mid-50s tomorrow afternoon. Current temperature is 46 degrees. We will not see a frost tonight with cloudy skies and rain on the way. Our weather headlines: rain returns tonight. Some sunshine in the forecast as we head into tomorrow. Beautiful day, a little bit of a breeze. It will be breezy over the next couple of days. We will be tracking that wind coming up. Also, some cooler weather ahead. Speaking of cooler weather, our winter weather outlook debuts on Thursday of next week. This is November 18th during the Live at 5 news hour. So mark your calendars. It's our weather team's best foot forward as to what we think the winter is going to be like as a whole. Rain as you get into tonight, low of 42 degrees. Again, tracking some mild weather for the next couple of days, along with some cooler weather as we look towards the weekend. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Some changes to tell
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside. This is our Cabby Tower Cam. Rain is approaching the area. We're seeing the leading edge of this starting to work into parts of central New York. We just showed you that webcam before going to break. That was in Old Forge where the rain is falling. And again, this rain will continue to push in from the west as we head into tonight. We had cloudy skies tonight. We didn't get a chance to see this, but with clearing skies tomorrow, we're going to have a great view of the crescent moon. And not one, not two, but three planets lining up in a row. Venus to the west, Saturn and Jupiter. The crescent moon will be between Saturn and Jupiter. You're going to look to the south tomorrow evening. Right after sunset, should see a beautiful view of this. By the way, the moon has been catching up to these planets over the past couple of days. And it's going to continue to be a really nice sight in the sky over the next couple of days. And hopefully skies will be able to clear out more than just one night. The wind, well, it's going to be back. We're looking at breezy conditions over the next several days. Not a strong wind, but a persistent breeze that's going to take down the rest of the leaves in our area, or at least a sizable portion of them. If you do have to rake the lawn, tomorrow and Thursday look to be decent days for that. It'll be wet in the morning, or at least wet leaves in the morning, but we should get a chance to dry out. And do it before Friday, because Friday we have a cold front moving in. And that's going to knock down the temperature and also bring some very unsettled weather to the region. High temperatures in the 50s for the next couple of days, but you can see the bottom dropping out on Saturday. We're into the 40s as we head into the weekend. The radar and satellite image shows a cold front approaching the area, again, bringing some steady rain to central New York. The rain is around overnight. By tomorrow morning, it's gone. It's off to the east. And in fact, even the clouds will be moving out pretty quickly. We're expecting plenty of sunshine heading into the afternoon. Temperatures climb into the 50s. Mostly clear skies tomorrow night. Cold enough for frost as we head into Thursday morning. Temperatures Thursday afternoon, once again in the 50s under a mix of sunshine and clouds. Rainfall tonight, not a lot. We're looking at generally a quarter of an inch for most of the area. It is region-wide, though. It is going to impact just about everybody. Again, that rain is out of here by the morning. Rain tonight, low of 42. Sunshine tomorrow, a big improvement in the weather. Temperatures in the mid-50s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Thursday, looking dry, 54. Rain returns Friday. This is part of a stronger cold front. Friday's high 59. We're into the 40s over the weekend. Couple of rain showers. Rain and snow showers as we head into Monday and Tuesday of next week with highs in the low 40s to upper 30s. We'll be right back.
get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. Going to be a nice day again tomorrow, Bill?
Yes, we're tracking some rain tonight, though. This rain's going to be around overnight, and it will be over with by the morning. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You can see that this rain is pretty expansive to the west, but it's out of here as we head into tomorrow morning. Current temperature is 47 degrees. We're looking at cloudy skies and some light rain showers. Our weather headlines: rain tonight, sunshine as we head into tomorrow. We are tracking some cooler weather on the horizon. A reminder, well, not a reminder, an announcement. Our winter weather outlook is going to be Thursday of next week. This is when our weather team puts our heads together and comes up with the idea of how much snow we're going to be getting for the winter and how temperatures are going to be trending. Join meteorologist Hannah Evans and I live at 5 here for this on Thursday on WKTV. Rain as we head into tonight, low 42. We are tracking some cooler temperatures as we look ahead. Look at that forecast that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Some changes to tell you about.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening and welcome back. We are tracking rain that is beginning to move into the region. This will be around as we head into tonight. Here's a live look at our CAVB tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. The leading edge of rain is starting to move into central New York. You can see some heavier rain to the west, some darker green, some yellow showing up to the west on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And so that rain will be around tonight. And then it kicks off to the east as we head into tomorrow. Skies will be clearing out tomorrow, setting the stage for a beautiful sight in the sky tomorrow evening. The crescent moon is moving across the sky. This is what the scene will be looking like looking to the south. We have Venus, Saturn, and Jupiter lined up with the crescent moon. This will be the scene shortly after sunset, and again, we should have clear skies for that. Something to look forward to. It's going to be windy over the next couple of days. The wind will be noticeable tomorrow, and it will stick around as we get into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It's going to take a lot of the leaves off the trees that still have leaves on them. A good time to rake would be tomorrow afternoon as well as Thursday. And I do encourage you to get it done sooner than later, because once we head into Friday, the weather patterns are going to change. We're looking at a big drop in the temperature followed by some unsettled weather. Have a look at the temperature trend. We'll be in the 50s for the next couple of days, but a strong cold front rise on Friday, and that's going to set the stage for much cooler weather as we head into Saturday and Sunday with temperatures in the 40s. So we look at the radar and satellite image. We are tracking a cold front moving in from the northwest. This will be moving through tonight, and it's out of here pretty quickly as we head into tomorrow. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, clouds, but quickly giving way to sunshine. Temperatures will be in the mid-50s for the high. Tomorrow night, the weather remains clear. It's going to allow for temperatures to drop down into the low 30s to upper 20s. Yes, a frost in the forecast for Thursday morning. Thursday looks like a pleasant day with mostly cloudy skies followed by some sunshine. Temperatures climb into the low 50s. Rainfall amounts tonight, less than a quarter of an inch for most areas. The rain is region-wide, though. Rain tonight, low 42. Tomorrow, sunshine, breezy, temperatures in the mid-50s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Mostly cloudy on Thursday, 54. Rain Friday with that cold front, a high of 59. Much cooler weather with a mix of sunshine and clouds and a few showers for Saturday and Sunday. Chilly with rain and snow showers returning on Monday and Tuesday of next week. We'll be right back.